Okay, guys, I got a request to make a video on the Tesla Astrology. So today I'm going to be looking at the Tesla stock. And what I do is I look at the birth chart. So the time that the Tesla stock began, I run a birth chart and I look at the astrology for it. We are going to look at the astrology chart. Let's go here. Here is the Tesla astrology chart. And one thing that's very interesting is that Uranus is in the 10th house. And let's see how long it's been in there. This is very significant because the 10th house is the house of career and how this being is in the public eye, or this company is in the public eye. And so it's Uranus has been in the 10th house since May 4th and is very positive potentially for Tesla because Uranus represents being a disruptive technology. And that is kind of where Tesla, I believe, is headed. Is it's not just going to be a car company, it's going to be a disruptive AI and technology company that goes far beyond just vehicles. It's going to change the world with the kind of technology that they are creating. And it's going to be a big part of our future, I believe. Whether you like it or not, it seems like that's the way things are headed. So we have Uranus in the 10th house already. That's very positive. It's going to be there for a long time. I can figure out, I think at least 5 years or so, maybe. Let's see, I'll check it out. But even more positive, we then have Jupiter. That's going to be coming into the 10th house in April of 2024. Wow. Now this is very, very interesting. So Jupiter is the planet of expansion. It's a very auspicious, lucky planet. And so coming into the 10th house, then Tesla is going to be coming even more into the public eye. And I mean, this is very positive energy for the Tesla stock as well. It's just going to be seen more in the public eye. So this is very bullish for April 2024 and beyond, because Jupiter and Uranus are going to be stay in the 10th house for a long time. Jupiter is going to stay in the 10th house until May of 2025. So it's very bullish. Tesla is very bullish for 2024 and into the first half of 2025 and potentially even beyond, because I mean Jupiter transitions out of the 10th house, but Uranus is still in the 10th house for really long time. Looks like over 6 years. Probably it's potentially a decade that Uranus is going to be in the 10th house. I'm just taking a look at it. We can go by months to speed it up. Uranus is going to be in there in the 10th house until 2031. So it's just going to be completely disrupting the world with this technology. Let's hopefully in the most positive ways. But I mean, AI, this is world changing because Tesla is going to play a big part in the AI, the whole AI technology, I believe. So very, very interesting. This lines up with the basically the world, what we're seeing on the world stage with AI and ChatGPT and all these technologies that are disrupting how we live as human beings. All right. So let's look even closer at what we're seeing the next few months. All right. So this is very, 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 very interesting. We are seeing something pretty similar to the XRP astrology chart that I looked at yesterday. And one thing that I want to mention is that when I see correlations with multiple different charts in astrology and they're all lining up with a similar narrative, particularly when we're talking about financial markets, we could really be seeing a very significant theme here where I'm potentially seeing Tesla stock, just like the XRP stock, seeing potentially the Tesla stock is slowing down right now because we have this fairly negative transit with Saturn conjunct Tesla Chiron. It's happening on October 21st in the next few days, and again on November 18th of this year. Similarly, almost very, very similar dates. Yesterday I looked at XRP. I believe it was October 16th to November 23rd was very bearish as well, signifying a potential slowdown in XRP. We're seeing the exact same thing for Tesla. Very, very interesting. So, and honestly, we're seeing similar themes for Bitcoin as well, although Bitcoin may outperform XRP and Tesla in the next month or so, as the Bitcoin dominance is going up. That's a possibility. I'm not certain about that. But like I'm saying, we're probably seeing a slowdown in the next month or so for Tesla. But the good news is after that, when we head into mid-December, things are looking bullish. There's not a lot of resistance anymore, and we could see the price start to pump upwards again. Could even be starting early December. And what's really interesting is this same exact transit we saw back on March 13th. And let's take a look at what happened on March 13th for the Tesla chart. If you're skeptical about astrology, take a look at this. Look at this. March 13th, right here. I could put a line. Okay, sorry about all these lines here, but March 13th. On that exact day, we're seeing a low here. We're seeing Tesla go all the way down to 165 around there, and then we pumped up afterwards. We saw another dump. But we definitely saw resistance around that time. So we could, as we're we're heading into the same transit, again, we could see Tesla. We could see Tesla dump down to like 234. Looks like there's support around there. If we go lower, it could go down to 218, something around there. Or we could just be ranging in this area around where it is now, 240 up to 268, but not do much for the next month, just kind of ranging. And then December, we could be going up further, perhaps close to 300 or beyond 300. All right, very interesting. Let's see what else we see in the astrology. Okay, scrolling through the astrology. We're seeing this pretty bullish transit in January, so Tesla's looking quite bullish in January. Another bullish transit with Uranus conjunct the midheaven. That's in January. Could be bullish January for Tesla. And what else? Heading towards... Oh yeah, there's also the Pluto trine the Tesla Saturn is bullish for December heading into January. So that's what we're seeing. It's pretty clear here. There's not too much else to say. What do you guys think? Who's thinking about buying some Tesla? This is not financial advice. Make your own financial decisions. I'm not necessarily thinking about buying Tesla because it's already fairly high, although I do already own some. So I'm probably just going to hold, probably going to hodl into 2024, 2025, and we will see what happens. I know some market experts are calling for like $400 Tesla in the next couple years. I think that's very, very possible, but not financial advice. This is just for edutainment purposes. Looking at the Tesla astrology. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe to this channel and like this video. Support my channel. I'm putting these videos out for free. I know most astrologers charge for this, charge a monthly membership. And while I'm still putting them out for free, please support the channel by subscribing, liking the video, And even better, sharing it with a friend or family member who's invested in Tesla and they could benefit from this information. All right, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next video. Another Crypto Astro video coming soon.